Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, create a private hotspot for your clients or team. I'm going to show you how you can create and host your very own private hotspot without the need for extra hardware like a router. This new feature built right into version 10 allows you to take advantage of the hardware already built into your computer or a simple USB Wi-Fi dongle to create your own hotspot to achieve any goal that you need for real-time or team editing purposes. This hotspot allows you to create a network whether you have internet or not, and if you do have internet, you have the option of sharing that internet with your clients. And that means that even in locations that do not offer internet for you and your clients, if you have your own mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, such as one from a wireless provider, you'll be able to provide internet access not only for yourself, but for all of your clients. I've opened Eclipse, and for this example, I have my computer connected via Wi-Fi to a Wi-Fi network. And this network does currently have internet access. You see that I am currently connected to the Connection Magic server. So that means when I start my hotspot, I'll have the option of sharing my internet access with my hotspot recipients if I desire to. In order to create a hotspot, you do need to output using the Connection Magic server. And there's two ways that you can do that in Eclipse. The first is to share your document with the team using Team Editing. The second is within your user settings in the Real-Time tab to have a Bridge Mobile output format using the Connection Magic server. And again, to add one of these, just make sure that your output is set to Bridge Mobile and your COM device is set to Connection Magic. As long as either of those are in place, you'll have the option to start a hotspot for your clients or your team members as needed. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to name my file Virtual Hotspot. I'll choose my starting stroke. And after choosing my starting stroke, the first session settings window that I'm brought to is for Bridge Mobile. And since this is the first session settings window that I get, if I want to start my hotspot, this is where I want to choose to start it. For this example, I'm going to pretend that I have Bridge Mobile clients in the room with me and a scoping team over the internet. And so for my Bridge Mobile session, I'm going to choose to turn on the LAN settings and host a LAN session, which will allow my Bridge Mobile clients to see it as long as they are connected to the correct network. However, I'm going to create that network myself. I'm going to call my virtual hotspot Ashley's new hotspot, and I'm going to provide an 8-character password. This is also the place where I can choose whether or not I want to share my internet feed with my clients who have Bridge Mobile. This might be a value-added service that you can add to your real-time menu. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and share the internet so that my clients will be able to check their emails and receive any messages that may be important during the proceedings. Additionally, I need to make sure that the document name is the name that I want to provide to my Bridge Mobile clients and set the password that I'm going to provide to them. I'll cover require ID and valid IDs on a future video. And since we're doing LAN only for the Bridge Mobile session, the room is going to be automatically selected to the LAN room, and so no room selection is necessary. I'll leave publicly visible checked and press OK. Eclipse will start the hotspot. And it will copy the session information to my clipboard so I can email it or chat it to my Bridge Mobile clients. And once I click OK to that message, you see that on the left, I see that my Bridge Mobile session has started in the LAN room. And next, I have my team editing session. Since I already started my hotspot, I no longer have the options to do so again. I only have the option to do team editing either over the internet or via the LAN network I've already started. And you see that at the top, I do have my universal indicator both for the online server as well as the LAN network I've just begun. I can choose my team editing document name, as well as the password I'm going to provide to my team. And as I said before, I'm going to pretend that my team editors are over the internet instead of in the room with me for this example, and I'll press OK. Next, you see that that session has shown up both on the info bar as well as in the View Connections window. If I select myself in the View Connections window, go to Properties and Password, you see that I see the IP address for the LAN network, I see my session name, I see the password for the session, as well as my hotspot name and my hotspot password. If I choose the Bridge Mobile session from the list at the top and do the same, you see that I see the same information because I did set the same password for both sessions. However, this time the session name has changed. At this point, I'm ready to begin writing real-time, and I can show you what it looks like to connect to this network on my client and Scopus computer. I'm going to transition to what your clients would do to connect to your network. On my client computer, I can go to the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right, and you see that I now have Ashley's new hotspot listed. I can select it and choose Connect, and I can enter in the password that I selected for my hotspot earlier. I'll press Next, and now I'm connected to that network, and I'll be able to access the Bridge mobile feed by going to the IP address provided or clicking on the link provided to me by the reporter. And so I can open up my web browser, type in the IP address /bridge, and then I can just hit enter to connect to the reporter session. Since I'm connected to the LAN, Bridge Mobile will do its best to just open the file for me, and if I click on the link provided by the reporter, it will just open. And you see it has loaded all of the text that was already written and is loading all of the new text currently being written. And that's really all there is to it. All of your clients can connect to the network in the same way simply by going to their Wi-Fi settings and selecting your hotspot. And you see that although I have no internet, I'm able to connect to it, and I was able to transmit Bridge Mobile over it without a problem. And since my team editing session was over the internet, any of my Scopists anywhere on the internet can connect to it simply by going to Tools, Connection Magic, Edit Shared Document, just as we showed in the previous videos about team editing. However, I can quickly connect to the internet, and after connecting to the internet, I can open up Eclipse version 10, choose my INI file, go to Tools, Connection Magic, Edit Shared Document, and I can find my file in the appropriate room and connect to it, just like in our previous examples, since the scoping session was just going over the internet. And you see that my file loads and continues getting new information, just like in previous examples. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you'll enjoy the new hotspot functionality that is built right into Eclipse version 10. It truly expands your opportunities for providing real-time to more and more clients and increasing the services upon your real-time menu. As always, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question at any time, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.